Paladova and the Ukrainian Pov, they are in a battle at the front. So two of these paddlers will go through. There are three at the moment fighting for those two positions. This is going to come right down to the finish. Osterman's still holding on. Look at Paladova. She's got a good finish. And coming through between them, it's Cherneskaya, but I think she's left it too late. Maybe Paladova's taken the lead. And on the bottom of the course, the Ukrainian, I think maybe she's got there. Yes, Ukraine ahead of the Czech Republic. Or perfectly judged race by the Ukrainian.
Absolutely. Wow, that was